And on today's episode, I'm going to be giving you guys a Cryptobridge tutorial. So that's how to create an account, show you how to deposit and withdraw. Now, before I go ahead and do this, if you are new to the channel, I recommend going and hitting subscribe and turning on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, let's go ahead and dive in. For those of you that don't actually know what Cryptobridge is, it's a decentralized exchange, better known as a DEX. So, one of the main reasons I use Cryptobridge is because most of these masternodes over on here are not on the big exchanges. They're only on the smaller ones and the decentralized exchanges, and Cryptobridge being one of them. So, let's go ahead and create an account. So, first of all, you want to come to this URL. I will link this down in the description below. And then you want to click Launch DEX. Now, you can go through the site if you want and have a little look. They have got a roadmap as well. But for this example, we're just going to click Launch DEX. So, now this is the page that you come to. So, first of all, what you want to do is go to Create Account. Then you are shown this window. So, from here, you can create your username. So, or account name. For this, we're just going to use test223, and it already generates a password. Now, this password is very important because if you lose this, then you will not gain access to your account again, and you will lose it for good. So, it's very important that you copy this and store it somewhere safe. So, you can either store it just in a notepad, which I don't recommend. You can upload it to the cloud, which is entirely up to you, or you can save it onto a USB. It is just very important that you do save it and you do not lose it, because you will lose access to your account. Now you want to copy it again, plug it into confirm password, scroll down, click yes, yes and yes, or just tick the boxes and press create account. Now leave that for a second. Let's have a sip of my drink. Now, see, create a backup. In case you haven't already done so, it is crucial that you take the time to write down your password now, whether it be on paper, a password manager, or somewhere else. If you lose or forget this password, your account will be lost. We cannot help you get it back. So remember, it is very important to save it because it's essentially your private key to the decentralized exchange. Now I'm going to press OK, take me to the dashboard. So that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to actually create an account with Cryptobridge. And now I'm just going to give a quick rundown of Cryptobridge itself. So from here you have all the featured markets, so you can see all the different pairs which are traded, and then you can star your markets. So say we wanted to save BCO, we click the star and now we have them in starred markets. Actually no, that was the featured markets. All markets is over here, and now you can see all the different trading pairs. Now, one thing to keep in mind with Cryptobridge is that it does freeze from time to time, not for long, and you have to make sure that you're synced up to the network. As you can see here, your active node is out of sync. Now, just by doing a quick refresh of the page, normally sorts this out. Oh, it's already back anyway. But at the minute, you can see we're connected to North Virginia, USA. Ideally, you want to be connected somewhere nearer to you. So I'm in the UK. So what I'm going to do is just going to refresh the page for a minute. See if that brings it closer to home. Moscow, Russia. A little bit closer. I'll stick to that. Now, so these are the markets. You can find that by clicking up here on the little icon. You can find your dashboard just here. Just let that load for a second. It's being a little bit more slower because I'm also recording. So here is my dashboard. And as you can see, there's nothing in it because we've just created the account. This is the portfolio. So if you had brought any coins, or if you have any coins in a wallet on the exchange, they will show up here in the portfolio. Then you have your bridge coin staking. Of course, we're not staking any. And then we have the open orders here and your recent activity. Create an account. That's what we've just did, and you can see the time we did it. Now I'm going to go to the can't even talk. I'm going to go to the deposit and withdraw. Now, as you can see up here, our account is currently locked because it locks itself from time to time. So all we do is just take the password, put that in, press enter, and we're back in. And as you can see up here, it is unlocked. Now here, most of you, I'm presuming, you want to trade with BTC. So all you do is click here, choose BTC, like so, and then you'd want to create a new or get a new address. Now here is the Bitcoin address that you would send your Bitcoin to fund your account. Now as you can see, the minimum deposit is that much Bitcoin. So, and use the same with any coin. So if you want to do Litecoin, you just put in LTC, do that, get new address, and then there would be your Litecoin address. And to withdraw, it is exactly the same. So we'd go to, well, near enough the same. Litecoin, say we've done a bit of trading, we've accumulated some Litecoin, and now we want to take it out. We'd just withdraw now. You'd have it up here, and then you'd click that, which would put your funds here, and then you put your wallet in there. Sorry. Then you put your wallet in here, press withdraw, and then you would have it withdrawn. So that's how you withdraw and deposit from Cryptobridge, which is pretty easy. And then we have the exchange. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind is, because this is a decentralized exchange, it's actually ran on BitShares. So if you buy BitShares, you can pay your fees in BitShares, so it lowers your fees and you don't pay enough. To get some BitShares, all you'd do is send over some Bitcoin. You'd go to the trading pair BTS here, and then you'd click the Bitcoin market. Then you can buy literally like 5 BitShares, and that would be enough for your trading fees. But as you can see, this is just a normal trading interface. You have your chart up here, then you've got your order books down here, and I'm presuming you already know how to buy and sell orders. So that is essentially it. That was just a quick walkthrough of Cryptobridge, actually becoming one of my favorite exchanges, one of my favorite decentralized exchanges. Yes, it has its pros and cons, but all in all, it's a good exchange. Now, what I do also recommend is joining their Discord. I'm not sure how you find it on here, but all you would have to do is put Cryptobridge Discord. Actually, I'll leave this link as well in the description below, so you can go through and check that out as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.